This is a MacBook Pro 17-inch unibody. Today we replace the MagSafe DC-In board. Power down and remove the back cover. Keep screws organized in a labeled tray. Disconnect the battery connector to avoid shorts before touching internal components. Remove the speaker assembly and optical drive to access the DC-In board. Unscrew the DC-In board screws. Note torque for reinstallation is 2 Nm. Carefully unplug the MagSafe cable and thermal sensor connector from the board. Compare the old board to the new replacement, confirm identical part numbers. Install the new DC-In board, seat connectors fully and align mounting holes. Secure screws to specification, torque to 2 Nm, then reconnect the battery. Reinstall the speaker assembly and optical drive, then replace the back cover. Power on the MacBook, verify MagSafe charging and LED behavior on the connector. Before and after, stable charging and no error lights. Repair complete.